Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and you are going to love what I have in store for you today. This is the Tulla and Norbert's Love Story Collection, designed by Becky Moore. This collection has been long awaited, and we have had tons of requests for it, so I'm happy to finally bring it to you to enjoy for the Valentine's Day season. This collection features 6 adorable double-sided papers, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. We have stencils, matching dies, ephemera, and so much more. I can't wait to jump in and show you all of the pieces in this collection. This is the collection kit. It includes 2 of each of the 6 pattern papers, as well as the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. This is the Be Mine paper, which is filled with the most adorable gnomes I've ever seen, with their little beards tied with a ribbon, boxes of candy, heart streamers, and so much more. Absolutely adorable. There's also a great stripe that is on the diagonal that mixes and matches perfectly with all of the elements in this collection kit. This paper is called Secret Admirer, which hosts a ton of great typewriters to send your secret admirer a love letter. Lots of little post boxes, postage stamps, little letters. So cute. This is probably my favorite paper in the whole entire collection because I collect vintage typewriters. So fun. Can't wait to use this on a card. The back of that paper features this light pale pink with a lighter white grouping of arrows and hearts and swirls. So cute for layering as well as card bases. The Candy Hearts paper includes lots of different sayings on the candy hearts like true love, smile, kisses, be mine, text me, only you, ask me, hugs, and more. I love that there is just a subtle black with tiny white polka dots in the background to be able to tone down some of the bright colors in the collection. Great for adding a little hint of a mat, a photo frame. There are lots of options for the black and white polka dot. The Love You paper includes boxes of candy, love letters, arrows, and tiny pink hearts. And who doesn't love a good pink plaid? Isn't that the most precious piece of paper? I absolutely love this. I can't wait to use it on cards and layouts. It'd be wonderful for elements in a folio. So fun. I totally love this paper. Who can resist gnome cupids? Carrying bouquets of flowers, hearts, and getting ready to shoot someone to share the love. So precious. The back of that paper has extra arrows for Cupid to reload. Love notes include 2 4x6 cut-aparts, as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts, perfect for adding to cards, layouts, pocket pages, and so much more. I'm really enjoying the teal grid pattern on the back as well. I took a few moments to go ahead and make some quick and easy cards using the cut-aparts to kind of give you an idea of what you can do with them. So fun. I literally cut apart one of each of the pieces of paper to create backgrounds with. I picked the side that I loved the most, and I either added it as a background or used it as a little photo mat. Added some pink and black cardstock to give it a little pop of color. Added a few of the cut-aparts as well. So the cut-aparts have some great sayings, some cute little I love you words. And then I thought, how cute is the background paper with the little gnomes, but I didn't want to cover it up with a 3x4 cut-apart. So I went into my stash of Say It With Stamps coordinating dies, the Hey, Hi, Hello set, and just cut it out in a coordinating pink and black. You could easily mount them 3D to give it a little bit more 3D effect. You could leave it just like it is. That's cute too, and write a thank you note or just a note to a friend. This is my favorite paper, so you know I had to give this a go. You could easily add a hello, hi, hey. It would be pretty in this grid paper as well. I also cut some of the grid paper and use the hugs Say It With stamp set. You can do hugs enclosed or sending hugs. Or even sending you a long distance hug. Lots of options if you have some of the sayings and sentiments from the Say It With stamp sets. You can easily create tons of options for Valentine's Day. So give it a go. See what you think. Mix and match with what you have on hand. It was so much fun to quickly and easily make a stash of cards. I think all of those cards maybe took me an hour, maybe an hour and a half at the most, because I fussy cut it and did some stamping. So give it a go. Lots of fun mix and match pieces. And we haven't even touched the ephemera or the stickers. So that gives you even more options. We'll get those next. If you like to color, the Color Me paper from Love Story includes 12 3x4 cut-aparts that you can color, cut, and add to any of your paper crafting projects. I think these would be fun to add to my tiered tray. How cute would that be in a little frame? You could color it so that it matches the colors in your tiered tray. That would be so much fun. The background includes the little puffy hearts that you can color in any color you'd like. The element sticker sheet is loaded with fun icons, words, titles, banners. There's two great 12-inch borders at the bottom, lots of words that you can use in your paper crafting projects, as well as tags, this great typewriter, and of course these adorable little gnomes. So fun. This is the ephemera pack that matches the Love Story collection. It includes 30 fun icons with lots of tags, as well as tickets, tabs, banners, fun icons, words, some great titles as well. I love that there are lots of options. I love this. A true love story never ends. All you need is love. I love you this much. My favorite is the love nutrition facts. Serving size, 1 heart, 100% patience, 100% kindness, 100% truth, 100% trust, 100% perseverance. Percent daily values based on 100,000 daily kisses diet. Isn't that sweet? So lots of fun gnomes that you can mix and match. Lots of great icons. Perfect for any of your paper crafting projects. This collection also includes the most adorable gnome stamp set. I love this little gnome that has a sign, and you can add different sayings to the sign. I love you, XOXO, kiss me. You can also use some of the other stamps in your collection to put whatever you want. So it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day, and I kind of like that a lot. There's also a little gnome floating on a cloud, as well as shooting his arrows. Some of the other sayings include, will you be mine, happy Valentine's Day, and love you. I also like the little hearts that you could add quickly to a background. So cute. There's also a coordinating die set, which is sold separately. And in your die set, before you throw your packaging away, be sure you look at the back, because there's always a Color Me paper inside of your dies so that you can easily color, cut, and have an element ready to use on any of your projects. If you're not one to like to stamp, but you love to make cards, the die paper in this collection is absolutely adorable. It includes all of the fun little gnomes with their signs, some great sayings, Happy Valentine's Day, love you, will you be mine, so that if you are not a stamper, you can still use the dies to create cards with, which is kind of fun. If you're a storefront, you can use the die paper to make a fun Valentine's Day make and take. So lots of options with the die paper. There are also 2 new Mylar stencils in this collection. The first one is a heart background. It looks like this. You can easily ink blend. You could use texture paste. You can use glitter paste. You can stamp in an embossing ink and emboss in a gold over the top of something. You can make a great background. Lots of options with this beautiful heart background. The other stencil set in this collection includes a heart die as well as all of the pieces to be able to create a Build-A-Heart. So you have the heart itself, which you can cut out of patterned paper like this. So fun just to use the heart by itself. Or you can cut out plain white hearts and you can use your ink pad to make the heart any color you choose, and then stencil the saying over the top. So there's your conversation heart with hugs or be mine, one love, you and me. Lots of options to be able to create your conversation hearts. There's also this piece right here, which when you layer it over your die cut heart, it actually gives you this great shadowed look. So it actually looks like a 3-dimensional conversation heart. I love the idea of that. There are also 2 patterned hearts that you can use on your die cut heart, whether you want to do polka dots or hearts in the background. That would be very cute. You could easily add paste for a little dimension on one of the hearts. You could cut it out in cardstock to match the papers. So fun. Then this piece right here allows you to ink a heart in a heart. And I don't think I have a sample of that, but basically you're going to put your heart underneath it like this. You're going to line it up. You're going to ink one side. You're going to clean your stencil. Then you're going to flip it over like this, and you're going to match up the 2 pieces, and you'll end up with a heart in a heart with an inked background. So lots of fun options to be able to create your own conversation hearts. Thanks for stopping by the reveal of the Love Story collection today. I hope you enjoy it as much as we have creating it. I hope you got lots of ideas and inspiration to use this fun collection. Thanks for watching and have a great day.